What's up, guys? Today is National Pie Day. And I just found this out today, but today is National Pie Day. So in honor of National Pie Day, wifey and I decided to come to Tom Thumb and find us some pies to sample tonight and share with you. So maybe we'll find some decent pies in here and let you know what Tom Thumb's pies are like. All right, guys, so we got what we came to Tom Thumb for, which included dinner for tonight because we failed to take out a meal this morning. I didn't think about it. I don't know if wifey thought about it or not, but we didn't take out dinner before we took off. So we found 3 different pies in there, and we're gonna share with you what we think, how they taste, and how well Tom Thumb did on National Pie Day. What's up, lifers? We made it back home. We took just a few minutes to go ahead and eat dinner because we didn't want it to be too cold. Don't start yet. So guys, today is National Pie Day. It's an annual celebration of the constant mathematic pi, P-I. So
what is that, 3.95?
The reason it's used because it's 314. I believe it's So March 14th, which is 314. So the 3rd month and the 14th day.
Oh, I see how they did that.
Right? Pi.
All right.
So now a lot of people have taken National Pie Day to use it as another excuse to eat pie. Not to be confused with National Pie Day, like pie. But we chose today to share some Tom Thumb pie with you guys. Now you can get in there.
All right, let's start with the key lime. Where's the key lime? This one. All right. Here. Oh, it's kind of anxious. Oh.
All right, guys. So we stopped at Tom Thumb. They do a pretty good job of making pies, from what I understand. I know you can't really see it all. Go ahead and get a scoop out of there.
I'll let y'all see it.
Sit.
I can't, let me.
Doesn't want to zoom, huh? Here you go.
All right, here. Y'all see that?
It looks tasty.
All right.
Let me get a scoop of that. So this one is key lime. This one is banana cream. And this one is chocolate meringue. You don't like it? Why are you looking like that? Tell the people what you think of the pie.
Well, first of all, I was talking about how you said meringue.
I said, oh, I did say like the dance, didn't I?
But as a matter of fact, the crust was good.
The consistency is pretty good. The regular twang that you've come to know key lime for, it's actually one of the pie flavors that I like personally. This one is good. It's not the best in the world, but if you gave it to somebody, unless they're a super food critic, they wouldn't be overly disappointed with it. I think it's a pretty good pie, actually. The crust is crunchy. I can taste little granules of sugar or film crunching in there.
I believe that's a graham cracker crust.
Yeah, graham cracker crust, and I can feel like sugar granules or something. slightly crunchy. The texture of the key lime cream or whatever that is, and what is this on top? What is that called?
Meringue.
Meringue.
Or not to be confused with meringue.
This is chocolate dance pie. Chocolate dance pie. We gonna dance when we eat it, okay? Not bad. I personally like it. What do you really think about it? Is that not a flavor you like?
The crust was good.
Crust was good. Here's what it is. Okay, this one is banana cream.
Cream.
I'm just gonna say the other one, Tom Thumb. I give it a 3 out of 5. People wouldn't be disappointed.
So I'm not used to this. It's got
Oh, you gonna act like you don't like nuts?
on top. And it's got a different crust.
Is there crust underneath it,
I don't know.
or is
Trying
it
to
soaking
find it.
wet? I think you dumped in the crust. It's just the crust
Okay.
is wet.
So what I'm gonna do is I see the crust right here, so I'll gather it from up here. How about that?
There you go. Put it close to the lens. There you go. Let me help you. Bananas. What you think? It looks like
good.
gelatin.
I wonder. I'm not used to the consistency, but it doesn't taste bad.
It tastes okay.
I'm just wondering if it's something that they do to preserve it. And make it last a little bit longer, but it's not bad.
It actually tastes good. It's a little weird. The consistency is a weird feeling. Okay. It obviously has a lot of moisture in it because the pie crust is completely soaked through. The filling tastes like bananas, but it's some sort of gelatin or something.
Yeah. I'd like to know what that is.
And this on top.
It's not bad at all. I don't know if this is whipped cream.
This is the kind of pie that
This is whipped cream. It's not meringue.
I personally wouldn't, like after today, I wouldn't go looking for this pie. I wouldn't go buy it again. Again, the flavor's okay, but it's just not my thing. I don't like pies that the crust is wet. I don't like that. It tastes a little weird. When you first taste it, it's bananas, so she likes banana cream, so if she says it's okay, then she's more of an expert in banana cream than I am. I don't like it. I wouldn't buy it again if I saw it. Like if it was the last pie, I would not eat pie.
Y'all have to admit, if my mom sees me eating pie and it's not hers,
Ooh.
she's gonna be mad. So don't tell
Mom.
her.
Her mom is actually a pretty good baker. Her mom makes some pretty good sweets. My brother-in-law too, actually.
He forgot about his wife, but we know.
Well, you're here right now. Okay, guys. This one is the chocolate dance cake. No, chocolate meringue. And it actually looks pert near delicious.
Yeah, the presentation, superb.
Yeah.
But I have a question.
What's that?
So, entertain me here. Do y'all see? That's $3.99.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is $2.49. And I don't think it's because it's out of date.
Presentation's better is what you're saying for $1.50 less.
Yeah. Well, I'm just wondering, like, cause it's a bigger pie, or whatever.
It just
Dive in.
looks bigger.
It's chocolate.
It's,
We gotta dive
it's
in.
mousse. It's like it's mousse. That's what it is. Look at the consistency on that. Yeah, it's almost like mousse.
That's real chocolatey.
Chocolate pudding.
Like it's a huge shout of chocolate.
This is good. I'm not a big chocolate fan, but this is good. What you think?
This tastes more like the marshmallow cream than it does meringue.
You didn't like it?
I'm not no.
I think it's okay.
I think my favorite was the banana.
My favorite was the lemon.
Key lime.
Key lime, I mean. My favorite was the key lime on National Mathematic Equation Pie Day. We ate pie to share with you. So if you're a fan of Tom Thumb, I don't think you can go wrong stopping by Tom Thumb, especially the one over in Flower Mound. Stop over there, grab you a couple slices of pie. Boom. Is it in the address is Louisville? It sure is. Sorry about that. The address is actually a Louisville location. It's off of 121 in Louisville. Not Round Grove. Jesus. Can't even get my words out.
Oh my word.
Round Grove, Louisville. Either way, stop there, grab you a couple of these here pies, because there were other flavors in there that we chose not to get because we knew we weren't going to eat it all. We just wanted to share it with you on National Pie Day. I hope you've had fun on this day.
Because we ate pie, P-I-E, on National Pie, P-I Day.
Bam. Hey guys, if you remember to do so, get outside and enjoy it because
There's life out there.
bam. Peace.